everyone, it's Gillian, and with Halloween just around the corner, I thought it was the perfect time to make an extreme, over-the-top, Halloween-inspired slime. For the ultimate Halloween slime, I decided to base it off candy corn, and candy corn is three main colors, which is white, yellow, and orange. So those are the three tones of slime that we're going to be making today. But what I decided to do to take this even to another level is to make each different color of slime a different texture. Here I'm creating the orange portion of our candy corn slime. So I started off adding some glue, orange food coloring, and conditioner to a bowl. I then scented it just like candy corn, and then I went ahead and activated it. To give the first slime a really awesome texture and to make it amazing for bubble pops, I decided to add some foam jelly cube pieces. So I just added some of these to the slime and mixed it in, and then it's time to set this slime aside so we can move on to the next one. The next slime we're creating is the white layer of our candy corn inspired slime. So this slime I wanted to be a really soft butter slime. So to do that, I first added some glue, shaving foam, and of course that amazing candy corn scent to a bowl and mixed it all together. I then went ahead and activated it, and at the moment it's a very, very fluffy slime. But like I said, I wanted this to have a butter-like texture just because I thought that would work really well with the other two textures of slime. So to transform this into a butter slime, I just added a packet of soft Daiso clay and mixed this in, and then we have the white layer of our candy corn slime. Next up, it's time to create the yellow portion of our candy corn slime. So for this, I decided to first add some glue to a bowl and then tint it yellow. I then added some baby oil just so it would have a very clicky and glossy base. I then of course had to give it that amazing candy corn scent, and then I just went ahead and activated it. Now once this was activated, I decided that I wanted this slime to have a really awesome, unique texture. So I added a packet of these mini yellow foam beads, and then I also added some of these frosted fishbowl beads. So this slime is super crunchy, it's great for bubble pops, and I was so obsessed with the texture of it, and I cannot wait to see all three of these slimes mixed together. Now for my favorite part of creating an extreme slime, it's time to put everything together. So first I just took a large container because this is going to end up being a giant slime once everything is mixed together. So I first started just adding the three different colors of slime to the container, and I went with a marble look. Now, oh my gosh, first of all, how cool does that look? But we need to take this to another level. So I had so much fun. I basically just went and looked at all of my slime supplies, and I picked up anything that was orange or yellow or candy themed or perfect for Halloween, and I'm so excited to see it all come together. So starting off, I added some orange, yellow, and white Java pieces for slime. So these are made of foam. Next, I went in with some foam marshmallow pieces, and these give it such a cool texture. Then I wanted to add some Chex pieces. This has been one of my favorite things to add to slime at the moment, so I added some orange and white Chex pieces. And if you're wondering what these are just drawer liners. You put them in the drawer and they grip everything, and I just cut these up into squares. Then I added some sprinkles, and then there is just a lot of glitter. We've got orange iridescent, we've got chunky glitter. It's just all happening here. Then I decided to add some candy themed charms. So I started off with these orange charms, and then I had these pumpkin charms lying around, and I was like, finally I get to use these. So I added those, and then I also added some orange lollipops to top it all off. So this is my ultimate extreme Halloween inspired slime. What do you guys think of it? I think it turned out amazing. I love all the different elements to this slime, and when I look at it, there is just so much going on, but it just makes me feel really happy, and the amazing candy corn scent just goes with it so perfectly. And now let's mix it all together. I hope you all liked today's slime creation. I would love to know in the comments below, what is your perfect ideal Halloween slime? What does it look like? What does it smell like? What kind of texture is it? I cannot wait to see what you guys come up with. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!